If you're having trouble receiving login codes from Kraken, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your email settings. Ensure that the email address linked to your Kraken account is correct and that you have access to it. Also, check your spam or junk folder for any missed emails. Step 2. Verify your phone number. If you are using two-factor authentication via SMS, confirm that the phone number associated with your account is accurate and that your phone is receiving messages properly. Step 3. Resend the login codes. On the Kraken login page, look for the option to resend the login code. Click this option to receive a new code via your selected method email or SMS. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, browser issues can affect login processes. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Contact Kraken support. If you still cannot receive login codes after trying the above steps, reach out to Kraken's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of not receiving login codes from Kraken. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.